Water-smart plants are plants that are particularly well adapted for prolonged dry conditions.
Fortunately for Bathurst region gardeners, many of the features that help plants be tolerant of dry conditions also help them to be frost hardy. Now is a good time to evaluate what is doing well in your garden and prioritise these plants for future plantings.
Generally speaking, Australian native plants from low and medium rainfall regions will be really good water-smart plants for the Bathurst region.
They have adapted to surviving prolonged dry periods by having high oil content in their leaves, small leathery leaves, and many have grey or silvery foliage, which helps reflect heat.
Many Australian native plants have been bred for home garden situations to have compact habit and long flowering periods.
Good choices for the Bathurst region include dwarf flowering eucalypts or gum trees, coastal rosemary or Westringia, and the silver banksia or Banksia marginata. Many of the Mediterranean plants like olives, lavender, sage and thyme are water-smart plants as they are adapted to hot summers and low rainfall. Many of the prostrate or spreading thymes make excellent hardy ground covers. South African plants like proteas, leucadendrons and agapanthus are also water-smart plants that will sustain long periods of dry conditions.